What is child development theory? Child development theory is a broad theoretical framework that seeks to explain how children develop from infancy through adolescence. The study of child development involves examining physical, cognitive, social, and emotional growth, and how these areas are interrelated. Over the years, numerous child development theories have been proposed, each with its own unique approach to understanding how children develop. One of the most influential child development theories is the psychoanalytic theory proposed by Sigmund Freud. According to Freud, children pass through several stages of psychosexual development, each of which is characterized by a focus on a different part of the body. The first stage is the oral stage, which occurs from birth to 18 months, during which infants explore the world primarily through their mouths. The second stage is the anal stage, which occurs from 18 months to 3 years and is characterized by a focus on bowel and bladder control. The third stage is the phallic stage, which occurs from 3 to 6 years and is marked by a focus on the genitals. The final stage is the genital stage, which begins at puberty and is characterized by the development of sexual feelings and desires. Another influential child development theory is the behaviorist theory, which was popularized by B.F. Skinner. This theory emphasizes the role of environmental factors, such as rewards and punishments, in shaping behavior. According to Skinner, behavior is learned through a process of operant conditioning, in which behaviors that are rewarded are more likely to be repeated, while behaviors that are punished are less likely to be repeated. Cognitive development theory, which was proposed by Jean Piaget, is another influential theory of child development. Piaget's theory emphasizes the role of cognitive processes in shaping development. According to Piaget, children pass through several stages of cognitive development, each of which is characterized by distinct ways of thinking and understanding the world. The 4 stages are the sensoromotor stage, the pre-operational stage, the concrete operational stage, and the formal operational stage. Another important child development theory is the ecological systems theory, which was proposed by Urie Bronfenbrenner. This theory emphasizes the role of the environment, including family, community, and culture, in shaping development. According to Bronfenbrenner, children develop within a series of nested systems, including the microsystem, the mesosystem, the exosystem, and the macrosystem. The microsystem refers to the immediate environment in which the child lives, such as the family and school. The mesosystem refers to the connections between the different components of the microsystem. The exosystem refers to the broader societal and cultural context in which the child lives, such as the government and the media. Finally, the macrosystem refers to the overarching cultural beliefs and values that shape the broader context of the child's development. In recent years, attachment theory has emerged as an influential theory of child development. Attachment theory emphasizes the importance of early relationships between children and caregivers in shaping emotional and social development. According to attachment theory, children develop an attachment style based on their early experiences with caregivers. These attachment styles can have a significant impact on children's emotional development and their relationships with others.